Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in the Avishya Handloom Saree Story series, we are going to be looking at printed Kalamkari Tussar silk sarees. Kalamkari is a very complex and time-consuming process, and I think in a previous video I've gone through the entire explanation of how the Kalamkari work is done. It is a 23-step process. Firstly, it is done in only one place in the country, which is it's a place called Kalahasti in Andhra Pradesh. And there in that little town, there are many centers where Kalamkari is practiced, and beautiful artisans who from many decades, from grandfather to father to son, have been practicing the art of Kalamkari painting. Now the original Kalamkari, the pen Kalamkari as it is called, is a hand-painted art. So very painstakingly, the fabric is soaked in astringents and buffalo milk, then it's dried, then the pen, the column is used to draw the various art forms, whether it is a peacock or it's a Lord Krishna or whatever the forms which are there is drawn, and then inside the drawing, the hand painting is done. It's wax, first of all, it's filled with wax where the dye should not go. After that, it's dried again, the wax is removed, and then the entire artwork is filled up. So it's a very long time-consuming process. So each Kalamkari saree is expensive. It ranges anywhere between starting from 15,000 onwards up to 30,000, 40,000. It's a very exclusive saree. Now the beauty of Kalamkari is something which a lot of people appreciate, and everybody may not be ready to buy a 25,000-30,000 rupee saree. So what has happened over the years is that the industry has come up with fabulous ways of printing Kalamkari designs. So they take the best of Kalamkari designs and then convert it into digital images, and then it's done as a print onto different fabrics. So today we are going to be looking at one such fabulous collection. In this collection, the Kalamkari designs are printed onto Tussar silks, and so it's a digitally captured image, and it is printed on Tussar silk. So it's a fabulous collection of sarees, lovely Tussar silk, beautiful Kalamkari designs, and also in addition to that, a little bit of Kanta Sujani work is also there. So let's move on to the collection. Now let's start taking a look at this beautiful collection of Kalamkari printed Tussar silk sarees. I'll open out the saree for you. It's a dark charcoal black background, and the pallu has got a fabulous Kalamkari print. As you can see, it's really stunning. The pallu is beautiful. It's lovely. A pair of peacocks looking at each other, and beautifully painted in different colors, in blue, in orange, in black. Outlines are black, of course, and there is a mustard yellow as well. And overall, it's a very stunning looking pallu. The body, of course, it's got a fabulous charcoal grey color. This is how the body of the saree looks. It's a fabulous charcoal grey. So it sets off very well against the pallu. If you notice the borders, the top and the bottom borders are mustard yellow, and you'll see this lovely stitch going across the border from the end of the pallu to right inside across the saree. Beautiful work. This is a special kind of kanta work. It's straight lines, so it's called Sujani. So the Sujani lines are in black, in beige, and in mustard yellow. So there are three colors alternating with each other, and this forms a beautiful pattern on the top and the bottom of the saree. Now let's see what the blouse of the saree looks like. The blouse is a lovely mustard colored blouse. This is how it looks. It's a fabulous color, and lovely pretty little floral motifs are printed on this lovely orange. On the mustard yellow, the orange florets are printed, floral motifs, and beautiful small cute little green leaf is also there. So it's a lovely little floral motif which is printed. So this is the blouse. So they all go very well together. This is how it looks. The blouse, the body, and the pallu. So it forms a fabulous, gorgeous combination. And the material, of course, is a lovely Tussar silk. It's very light. It's very good quality Tussar. It's not very rough or thick. It's nice and smooth, nicely finished. So it's a fabulous printed Kalamkari saree. And the price of this saree is just because it is printed Kalamkari, you're able to get a fabulous saree like this for just 4,320 rupees. It's a really fantastic saree. Now, this is a dark charcoal grey color, and combined along with the mustard yellow. So this is what you've seen just now. Apart from this, we also have the other colors is a lovely blue and beautiful, stunning, orangish pink contrast. This is one contrast. The next is a beautiful brown, lovely brown along with the orange. That's second contrast. Third is a purple along with the blue. Purple and blue is a beautiful contrast again. Fourth one is a lovely green and stunning magenta contrast. So this is the fourth one. The fifth one is again a light gray and an orange. So these are the different color combinations. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the first color which I showed you, which is the charcoal gray, 6. So there are 6 different colors, and it's a fabulous collection of Kalamkari printed sarees, and I'm sure you'll enjoy taking a look at this collection. In addition to this, we also have beautiful Kalamkari printed sarees in Malai cotton. I'll just show this to you. This is again the beauty of Kalamkari, making it even more accessible to people to enjoy the beauty of Kalamkari sarees. This is a Malai cotton saree, so this whole Kalamkari work is printed in cotton. I'll just open out the saree for you. Nice. So this is the pallu of the saree. As you can see, it's a beautiful pallu. The central panel in dark bottle green with the beautiful peacock motifs in the center. On both sides, again, there are lovely floral motifs on both sides in maroon. And the edging, the borders are in lovely, beautiful teal blue panel with floral work on the edges. And the body of the saree, of course, has got lovely, beautiful different panels of Kalamkari. The fuchsia pink, there is a brown, there is a teal blue. In multiple colors, you have panels all with lovely floral and peacock motifs, and all of it captures the essence and the beauty of Kalamkari very, very well. Now, because this is a cotton saree, the price of the saree is very, very accessible. Everyone who loves Kalamkari can try this saree out, and the fabric is a very, very light Malai cotton. The price of this collection, we have multiple colors also in this. You have seen this pink. We also have this dark brown. We have this beautiful blue. We have this red, orangish red. We have a lovely pale green. There are beautiful yellow as well, and a few more colors as well in the store. So these sarees are very affordable. This entire collection is just $19.50. So printed Kalamkaris, you should come out to our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We have a fabulous collection. As I told you, we have a printed Tussar silk collection. We have a printed Malai cotton collection. At different price points, you can come, touch, feel, drape these sarees and enjoy them. And our staff will be very happy to help you select the right color and the right design for you. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. Online, we have the entire collection of printed Kalamkari sarees. You can go at leisure, browse, select whichever designs you like. Our customer service staff are again there online to help you find the right choice for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. For those of you who really like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you keep getting these videos in your feed. Thank you so much for watching. This month, there's a special offer we are rolling out. The month of Adi is here, and the Adi offer is being rolled out this month. This awesome Adi offer from Avishya entitles you to discounts starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. It's available. So please go online or come to the store and avail of this special Adi sale offer. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.